Let's look at this question. How many natural numbers having at most 4 digits have the sum of the digits at most 5? Okay, at most 4 digits. This is critical. So you have A plus B plus C plus D is plus E is equal to 5. Now see what these 5 variables represent. The 4 digits are represented by A, B, C, D, and whatever is left over from 5 is represented in this last part. Now you don't have to bother about if A can be 0 or not. A can happily be 0. A can happily be 0 because if A is 0, it will turn into a 3-digit number. If A and B are both 0, then it will turn into a 2-digit number. If A, B, C are all zeros, then it will turn into a single-digit number. The problem would be in A, B, C, D are all zeros. So that case you have to remove. Otherwise, you simply have to calculate the simple non-negative integral solution sets here, which would be given by you have 5 laddus, 4 partitions. The answer will be 9C5. From this, you have to subtract 1. 9C5 will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 120. Sorry, not 120. I have done it incorrectly. Yeah, no, 24. 24. Not I've done 9C5, but actually in my head I'm doing 9C4. So this cancels, this cancels, this cancels. I get 2 minus 1. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 into 7 is 126. 126 minus 1 is the answer to the question should be 125.